This morning we opened sealed bids on radio equipment for the police department and on recording equipment. Also, we opened bids for salt, for the supplies of salt that are required by the city for next winter. We did also open bids for tape recording devices, which are used by the police department. In the matters under advisement, we're going to compare the bids and we will probably award them next week.
The council. We also had a petition for a street light at West Charles and Elliott Street, and a street light at 2nd and Brady Street. Both of these were referred to Indiana Michigan Electric Company for investigation. We further had a letter from Indiana Michigan Electric Company relative to a street light at Godman and Manning. This was recommended as being feasible to them, and the board has authorized